Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the phone. Install the call log editor and grant call and storage permissions so the app can read and write entries. Once done, export a backup of the current call log to a local file or cloud. This protects data if something goes wrong. Make sure to enable developer or advanced mode inside the app so you can edit timestamps and metadata. Now you're ready to open a single entry and perform the first edit, change label, number, or timestamp. You'll now perform the detailed edits. Select an entry and tap Edit. Change the number format, contact name, call type, duration, and timestamp when needed. Because multiple entries may be similar, use the app search and filters to isolate groups, then use Batch Select to change many records at once. Once edits are staged, run preview mode to validate that timestamps and formats look correct. This prevents format errors and keeps the log consistent. After review, commit changes. You finish by confirming the commit and then syncing or exporting the updated log to your backup location so you have a recovery point. If entries disappear or edits fail, restore the backup file and recheck app permissions and storage access, then retry the operation step by step. Make sure auto backups are enabled going forward and use ISO timestamps for consistency across systems. This avoids time zone and parsing errors. One troubleshooting tip: if edits don't persist, force stop the app and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.